The 60mm LED pendant tube, 320 lighting effect, step-by-step installation. Hello everyone. Today, we're introducing a 60mm diameter round tube light with a wide 320-degree beam angle. Let's take a look at the included accessories. A 0.5-meter D60 round tube, a 3000K LED board with DC6 OV input, 2 end caps, suspension wires, input wires, and mounting screws. Now, let me show you how to assemble it step by step. First, solder the input wires to the LED board. Then, peel off the adhesive tape on the back of the LED board and stick it firmly onto the aluminum profile. Next, slide the PC cover into place and secure it. Install the end cap on the side with the input wire. Attach the suspension screws to the designated slots. Finally, mount the end cap on the other side and tighten the suspension screws. For the wiring part, connect the AC to 2 OV power cable. And just like that, the 60mm pendant light is fully assembled. Lastly, let's use a DC power source to light it up and check the lighting effect.